Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew with only sachet tomatoes. First, gather all your ingredients. You will need 2 to 3 sachets of tomato paste, 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Also, prepare 1 pound of your preferred protein, like beef or chicken, cut into 1-inch cubes. Having everything ready makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's build the flavor foundation for our stew. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Add the chopped onions, carrots, and celery, sautéing them for about 5 minutes until they become wonderfully softened. Next, brown your protein on all sides. This step is crucial for developing a deep, rich flavor in your stew. It's time to introduce our star ingredient, the sachet tomatoes. Stir in the 2 to 3 sachets of tomato paste and cook for about 2 minutes, allowing the flavors to deepen. Then, pour in 4 cups of broth, add 1 teaspoon of dried thyme and 1 bay leaf. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 1 hour. We're almost there. Add 1 cup of chopped potatoes and 1 cup of peas to the pot. Continue simmering your stew for another 20 to 30 minutes, or until all the vegetables are perfectly tender. Finally, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Serve your delicious, homemade stew hot and enjoy every comforting spoonful.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.